So key is on. And switch is on. So let's go. This should be power to. Here's blue wire. So it goes down to your PTO. This should be power right to the PTO clutch. I got nothing on there to switch on. Ugh. And none with the switch off. Alright. So back to switch on. Now here's my power. Power is one of these red ones. Let me try to get in there. Right. I'm not seeing nothing on power. There's another red here. And nothing there either. Alright, yellow on the ignition. Alright, I'm getting nothing from the ignition. From my hour meter. Hour meter does power. So there's not coming from the key. So I'm thinking I have like a short. And I wasn't sure if it was the ignition wire or what. You might be able to hear it when I move this around. Heard that? Let's see. Still got nothing. Let's move that and see if it's connected to the short. Yep, there you go. Sometimes I'd have to move this wire to start it, and then I just hit the key and it would start and turn on. But it wasn't shutting the blades off until this one time I was riding it, and then the blades cut off. I couldn't get them back on. I didn't think about this at the time. I think I tried to move it around, but I didn't have a light with me to check it. So there's our signal. So that means our switch is working. So we got a good switch. The PTO switch is good. This could still be a problem with our clutch down there. And I'll go right down to, this will be the wire you're looking for. And that blue and black one right there. That blue is going to be your power. So you check resistance on that going right to the clutch to see if the clutch is overheating, like internal short, whatever. Alright, so now it's plugged in. Almost. Now when I touch this wire, it'll be plugged in. So as of right now, if I turn the switch off and start it up, the clutch should be coming on. But let's go see. Let me turn the switch off so I can hook this wire up, and then I'll start it and then verify that the clutch will come on while it's actually running. Alright, so problem was the wiring. This connection right here. This is the section I cut out. It's probably just one of these wires I was pulling on. When I was pulling on them, it broke. That wire is probably already pretty much broke. So, wiring issue. I already replaced the switch because I was out working and I was like, yeah, I'll throw the switch in and see if that does it. But switches are like 40 bucks. You want to put it in for no reason without testing it. There she is connected. I prefer to use like a waterproof heat shrink type connector, but that's what I had, so that's how I fixed it.